Day. Back at you again with back-to-back videos. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel. Like, share, comment. You haters too. Like it anyway. I know it hurt. But you're gonna be all right, and you'll get over it, trust me. But we got a good cloudy day today. I better go on and leave before the clouds disappear. Good cloudy day. I'm gonna show y'all that in a few seconds. We're gonna make this quick. I don't know if y'all can hear the wind blowing, but I hope y'all don't, because I'm not recording this shit over. I'm not recording it over. Yeah. Let me go on and get up out of here, man. And become a member. If you can, man. Just become a member, man. So yeah, we finna go to the restaurant, get something to eat, man. Normal routine, man. I met up with my homeboys Waldo last night. We talked about some music and shit, man. I'm finna get ready to drop, so y'all get ready for that. I'm finna drop some on the Afro beat. Oh my God. I'm trying to tell y'all. Not even playing with it. Be prepared. It tells you need. But yeah, man, let me get on up out here, man. Start this video off, man. Another day, another video, man. Let's go. Salute to the real. Oh my God, I'm back at it again. Y'all know the routine. Y'all know where I'm headed. Sun behind the clouds. Gotta go and make it quick. Gotta make it quick so the sun won't come out. I'll holler at y'all in a minute. Hey, up here, I have arrived. Damn, hot as hell. Man, I just ate, man. I was so hungry that I forgot to show y'all my food. I ate some chicken. Y'all see how it's looking? The rain is coming. Y'all see that? The rain is coming. It is coming. Y'all see that dude back there? Back there cutting the tree with a machete. Big ass tree. But the rain is coming, y'all. Coming fast. It's coming fast. I just want to show y'all. Cause it's gonna rain later on. So I don't know how long this video gonna be. Got some ginger. Ginger juice. Ain't that good? She just getting there. Movie time, y'all. Having movie time.
One chop 2000.
Movie time. Watching a movie. I don't know what it is. It's in French. I think it's vegetable soup, I believe. Vegetable soup. I think. We got this blue merci. About to be walking in the rain. Cause I got to go down the road. I got to meet somebody down the road, man. Meet a friend down the road. I'm finna be walking in the rain. I ain't even gonna worry about it. So y'all see that lightning? Watch that lightning. Watch it. We got power. I want y'all to see that lightning. The video ain't gonna be long either, man. The weather, man. The weather be having messed up. Y'all see that lightning back? Ooh, y'all saw that? I ain't gotta show y'all no more. I ain't gotta show you no more. I know y'all saw that. But I'm finna go meet a friend, man, in a minute. I'm waiting on them to hit me up, and I'm gonna go to the house. Take it in early before they close. It's already raining a little bit, so y'all hear that thunder? But anyway, I'll let y'all in a minute, man. We're here at my homeboy store right here. One of these taxis, 2 taxis right here. They got to be in one of these taxis here. About L and I. Dang, I'm still waiting. That ain't her. Sit here and wait till she get here. That ain't her. Let me wait. They say 15 minutes. Taxi coming right now. I sure hope this is them. That ain't even a taxi, God. C'est bon. Ah, c'est bon. Je fais la vidéo pour YouTube. Hein? Je fais la vidéo pour YouTube. Mon YouTube channel.
No speak. Very, very bad.
Tu parles français?
Oui, français, d'accord, anglais.
Oui, tu dis bonsoir.
Je voulais dire hello, après non.
Oh,
Bonsoir.
parle français. Parle français. C'est pour YouTube. Okay, well, y'all. Finna head to the house. We got somebody. Dis bonsoir.
Bonsoir.
She don't speak English. Un peu. Non, tu ne parles pas l'anglais.
No.
Jamais.
No speak English.
Okay. Subscribe to the channel. Like,
because
share.
it's difficult. Huh?
Non, le français est difficile. Oui, l'anglais est facile. C'est ça, c'est facile. Oui, très facile. Subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment on the video. I'm out of here.